everyone, I'm Alisha Henderson from Sweet Bakes and welcome to Cake TV, brought to you by Renshaw. Have you ever seen those cakes that shine so brightly you can't believe that they're real? Well, I'm here to show you how to create this with totally edible product. Our first step, we need to place our cake onto something with a smaller circumference, like a bowl. So when we're applying the silver leaf, we can easily access the bottom edges. When you're making a gold or a silver leaf cake, you don't need many tools at all, but there is one really important thing you need to remember. Your gold or your silver needs to be a transfer booklet. So each individual sheet needs to be able to pull out one by one. Okay, so I've just put a little bit of water in here and I've got a wide flat paintbrush. I'm going to brush a little bit of water onto my cake. You don't need to soak it, just a small amount. So I've covered about 1/4 in the water there, just taking a piece of paper towel, gently wipe away the excess. Otherwise it'll be too wet and your silver or gold leaf will start to slide around too much. So that's all tacky on the surface now. I'll take my first sheet out very carefully. You don't want to have any fans or doors open when you're doing this because it is very light and fragile. I'll line up my top edge, smoothing that out. Once that's all smoothed out and you can see there's no bubbles or areas that haven't been stuck, from the corner that has the most paper, very gently begin to peel away. There. So I've done my first square. My next square, I will work all the way around the top edge and then I can come back in and do the bottom edge with half pieces. So I'm not wasting too much by going to the bottom now. I'll use the full squares all around the top. When purchasing leaf, be sure to choose high quality product that has been food certified. Very carefully start to smooth out, working from one side to the other to push out any air pockets. It's okay to have your sheets overlapping. We can smooth them out at the end. It's definitely easier to overlap the sheets than it is to fill in the gaps. So now we've finished that top edge, we need to fill in the bottom. If we were using whole sheets, that would kind of ruin them and we'd have a lot of tacky left over. So we will cut these sheets in half and then stick the halves on. Make sure to cut in half this way, so both pieces have a large edge of paper for you to peel away from. So there we've covered the entire cake in silver leaf, but I did have a little sad moment where I made a tiny hole over here, which is okay. While you're doing it, make sure you keep all the excess pieces and we can just take a little piece of that off, pop some water on, brush it back over and smooth it back out. For patching up, I use a small brush to adhere the leaf to the cake. So that's all patched up. Any excess little areas that you have where you can see silver leaf flying away, just get a really soft fluffy brush and very gently just brushing those down. So that's how we apply silver or gold leaf to a cake. I know it might have looked like a daunting process before, but hopefully now it's a little bit easier. Thanks again for watching Cake TV, brought to you by Renshaw.